Emmanuel Macron. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Chief Minister of Sikkim P.S. Golay on Thursday inaugurated the Northeast Food Show 2022. This is one of the biggest B2B food expo in the region that brings together farmers, entrepreneurs and stakeholders in the food business to discover, source, network and celebrate. The expo aims to provide a platform to network, connect and bridge the gap between farmers, producers, retail, purchasers, importers, wholesalers, distributors and brand nationally and internationally. The Northeast Food Show had a strong presence of food processing businesses of all the northeastern states and their respective governments, showcasing unique products of the states as well as national and international exhibitors. The second edition of Northeast Food Show would see the participation of over 200 brands, making it the region's biggest food innovation showcase.
Now are kind of bringing this whole thing together in the form of this food show, where through this we are able to connect to the international market, the regional market, the national market, and at the same time we are also able to bring in all the technology providers who will be here to guide and to support and help our farmers and our entrepreneurs, and also we are able to get the buyers who would be interested in buying the products.
Meghalaya Power Minister Prasoon Tinsong on Wednesday assured